have just been to the garden centre and I bought 3 asparagus for £1.50, which is a real bargain. So I bought quite a few of them and now I'm going to plant them out. So asparagus, these ones will come up in about May, these little thin stalks, and then in about June, July they'll turn into feathery whispers of plants, and I'm not going to be allowed to pick any of them, not one, for about 3 years. Even if one pops up and looks absolutely delicious, I am not allowed to eat it because the roots have got to get really strong, really healthy before I actually harvest them. So patience is a virtue, they say. So here I am about to plant out these asparagus. The great thing about these trowels is that I reckon that's about 30 centimetres. So I'm going to use that as my spacer between each plant, which should be about 30 centimetres. My trench is about 10 inches deep. I've got plenty of manure in my soil, and in fact I'm going to be adding manure as the season goes on and as the time goes on, because asparagus love lots of well-rotted manure. So here we go. I'm going to get my knees dirty. Oops, didn't wear my knee things. And I'm going to plant this. Even though there's a little shoot coming off here, I'm actually going to put that under the ground because I don't really want the frosts killing them all straight away. And you'll see afterwards I'll put some polytunnels on. So here goes, first one. We might want to put a marker at the beginning and end of each row. I'm kneeling on this piece of wood because I don't want to squash the earth too much with my weight. I like the earth to be quite airy. So that's why I'm using this wood, not to protect my trousers, because it hasn't done that job. It's getting dark, but I just wanted to show you these easy tunnels. They come in a nice bag like that. You open them up and you pull out your polytunnel. The wonderful thing about these, they sort of concertina out like this. And we'll start with this one and spread it out like that. Then I'm going to dig it in. It's just getting dark, but I've done it. I've got 3 rows of 21 plants of asparagus here.